Welcome to
Access granted.
Good day everyone, I am Mr. V at your service and welcome again to Let's Figure Out. Ay, ano nga ba yung pinag-usapan natin ng nakaraan? Yan, tama. Arithmetic sequence. It is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding constant called common difference. Yun lang yung tatandaan nyo pag arithmetic common difference. And diniscuss din natin yung pag-identify ng nth term ng isang arithmetic sequence and na nag-come up tayo with this formula a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus the product of n minus 1 and d. No? So, push na natin ito. Ano yung susunod nating pag-uusapan about the secrets of arithmetic sequence or sequences. So, ibig sabihin, continuation lang to. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung unang episode, na andyan yung link sa baba, pakiclick nyo na lang. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga episodes natin. Okay?
Yes!
So, let's proceed. Ito yung mga objectives natin ngayon. To determine arithmetic means. Okay. And sum of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence. So, let's start. Yung first objective natin, arithmetic mean. What does it mean? The terms between any two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence are known as arithmetic means. So kapag isa lang ang term between two non-consecutive terms, arithmetic mean lang yon. So isa lang eh. So arithmetic means pag madami kang dapat i-insert in between two non-consecutive terms. So ang ibig sabihin lang nun, halimbawa, kung meron kang a sub 1 tapos meron kang a sub n, meron kang specific number ng terms na pwedeng ilagay dito. Pwedeng isa, no? Halimbawa, a sub 1, tapos isa, obviously, ang susunod doon, a sub 3. Tama ba? Tapos kung halimbawa, a sub 1 yung, syempre, yung unang term, pag i-insert ka ng tatlo, magiging a sub 5 yung last term. Itong a sub 1 at a sub 5 are non-consecutive terms. So, itong mga terms in between them na i-insert mo, yun yung tinatawag na arithmetic means. Okay? So, wait lang. Burahin natin yung kasi nandito yung example eh, para mapakita natin sa inyo. Okay? So, ayun siya. Proceed tayo. Insert one arithmetic mean between 2 and 32. So, obviously, 2 and 32 are non-consecutive terms. Kaya, merong ipinalalagay sa atin na term. Pwedeng magpalagay ng term in between them. At ang pinalalagay lang ay isang term lang. So, we can denote that a sub 1 is equals to 2 and kung mag-insert tayo ng isa in between 2 and 32. So, obviously, A or 32 is the A sub 3. So, anong nawawala? A sub 2. Gamit yung nth term formula natin. Sige nga, ano nga ba ulit yun? A sub n equals to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Ang gagawin natin dito, kung ang A sub n natin, A sub 3. So, A sub 3, it is equals to A sub 1 plus 3 minus 1 times the common difference. Meron tayong A sub 3. Anong value nun? 32. Ano naman ang value ng A sub 1? 2. Plus 3 minus 1 times the common difference. So, ibig sabihin pala, pag ginamit natin yung finding the nth term na formula, sa paghahanap ng arithmetic mean, ay kailangan natin syempre ng common difference para the same yung distance. Kasi nga, di ba, dahil arithmetic mean yun, A sub 1, A sub 2, at saka A sub 3, ayan, the same yung distance dapat nan. Common dapat dito. So, paano natin ma-identify? Simplify natin itong equation. So, it will become 2 plus, what is 3 minus 1? So, 2D, which is 32. And then, pwede natin interchange para medyo maganda nating makita. No? Or mag-transpose muna tayo. 32 plus, yung positive 2 magiging minus 2 pag inan natin equals to 2D. So, 2D equals to 32 minus 2. What is 32 minus 2? 30 divided by 2. Both sides. No? Yun lang yun. Ito ha, baka nalilito kayo. So, cancel yon. D will become what is 30 divided by 2, 15. So, ayun na. The common difference is 15. So, for us to identify what is A sub 2 or an arithmetic mean between 2 and 32, so, we just need to have or to add 15 from A sub 1. What is 15 plus 2? What is 15 plus 2? 17. Okay, tama. So, A sub 2 equals to 17. Let's check if that is correct. Tingnan natin ha. So, ayan, medyo ang gulo ng aking solusyon. So, 2 in between 2 and 32 is 17. Check natin. Anong difference nito? 15 and 32 minus 17 is 15. Okay, that's it. Malinaw ba? Okay. So, sana naiintindihan nyo at nakakasunod kayo. Ano? So, proceed na tayo sa next example natin. Ay, bumalik. Sorry. Yan. So, proceed na tayo. Another example, insert 3 arithmetic means between 6 and 15. Ano yan? Kasi, tama. So, yung 6 natin, same nung gagawin nating notation kanina. So, 6 will become the first term. And if we are going to insert 3 arithmetic mean between 6 and, what is that, 54, yung 54 natin, anong notation ang gagamitin natin dan? It will become a sub 5. 6 is a sub 1. So, ang nawawala natin a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. At madali na naman ang pag-identify natin nun kapag na-identify natin o alam natin yung value ng common difference. So, going back to the formula of the nth term, so we have a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus, close and open parenthesis, n minus 1, and then d, times natin siya sa d, yung difference ni n and 1. So, ano yung mga present natin na given, or yung mga given? So, a sub 5, correct, which is equals to a sub 1 plus 5 minus 1 times the common difference. So, ulitin ko, ito yung main objective natin, to identify the common difference para madali na natin ma-insert yung kung kahit ilan yan, as long as we already know the common difference. Kasi yung unang number na babanggitin obviously will become the a sub 1, and yung last number na babanggitin is the a sub n, or it depends upon how many arithmetic means we are going to insert. So it will become, going back to the solution, it will become 54 equals to 6 plus, what is 5 minus 1? 4 times the common difference. So, i-rewrite natin, 4d equals to 54 minus 6. We have 48. So, 4d, divide both sides by, okay, tama, divide both sides by 4. So, cancel ito. And d, 48 divided by 4. What is 48 divided by 4? 1, 2, 12. Okay. So, that is the common difference now. So, ano ulit ang pinapagawa? From 6 to 54, ano yung ilan dapat ang insert natin? Tatlo. 1, 2, 3. So, having 12 as the common difference, so pwedeng, ang gawin natin, so 6 plus 12, anong sagot niyan? 18 plus 12, that is 30, plus 12, that is 42. Okay na? O, check natin no, kung tama nga. Halimbawa, a sub 2 equals to, what is a sub 1? 6 plus, dahil 2 yon, so dun sa ating nth term formula, common difference 12. So it will become 6 plus 1 times 12, 6 plus 12, and that is 18. So, a sub 2. Tama. Ayun, no? 18. Check naman natin yung dito. A sub 3. Layo eh. A sub 3 equals to 6, which is a sub 1 plus pangatlo siya, times 1, minus 1 times the common difference 12. So, 6 plus, what is 3 minus 1, 2 times 12. That is 6 plus 24, which is 30. A sub 3. Ano? Satisfy na kayo? O, yan. Yan. Okay. And then, kailangan mag-check dito sa A sub 4. Same yung process na i-apply nyo. Okay? That's it. Paalala ko lang na bago tayo mag-proceed sa trivia, subscribe kayo and don't forget to hit the notification bell para sa mga updates, no? So, proceed na tayo. There is a trivia. Ito, nakita ko rin to nung nag-aaral ako. Ginawa siyang parang riddle nga, no? Na, or anong tawag to? Mind game na paano daw kapag nagsimula ka sa 1 tapos up to 100, ano yung summation nun? Pag pinag-add mo, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus up to 100. In the history of math, ito yun. Merong story about an elementary school teacher na nagbigay ng ganyang problem sa kanyang estudyante, no? Na ngayon ay famous mathematician na. And do you know that he was able to get the sum within seconds only? Ay, nako. Grabe yun. Di ba kung isusubukan natin, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. Ang hirap, no? Hindi siya magawa in just second. At ang pangalan niya, si Carl Friedrich Gauss. Yan, search nyo kung anong yung mga contributions niya pa sa math. Gusto nyo bang malaman kung paano niya nagawa yun? Do you know how he did it? Or do you want to know? Let's find out and siyempre, let's figure out. No? So, eto yun. Ito yung process ng pagkuha natin. No? Siyempre, hindi ito ipinakita ni Carl. Kumbaga, meron siya sa mind niya na buong formula out dun sa relationship. Since 1 up to 100 is an example of an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 1. No? So, and going back dun sa concept, we can apply yung ma-generate nating formula dito to all arithmetic sequences. Sa lahat ng basta arithmetic sequence, applicable to. So, let's have yung notation na pwede nating gamitin. S sub n, which is the sum of the first n terms, no, from a sub 1 up to a sub n. So, tandaan nyo nga pala, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay finite sequence. So, meaning, meron siyang last term, specific na last term, no? And we can write the sum in reverse kasi nga commutative ang ang addition, tama ba? No? So instead of writing 1 or a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3, we can also write it as a sub n, which is the last term, plus a sub n minus 1, which is yung term before a sub n, no? And so on and so forth hanggang makarating tayo kay a sub 1. And what is the importance of those two concept? We can rewrite those two equations using their preceding terms and the difference or yung common difference. Kasi, di ba, ito yung kung paano natin ma-identify yung kanilang specific value. Tandaan nyo yung ang tawag doon, yung nth term. A sub n equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Ito lang din yun. Yan. So, dahil nauna itong a sub 1, so yan, magsusunod a sub 1 plus d, and then a sub 1 plus 2d, so on and so forth. So, n minus 1, ito yan. Yan yun. No? N term. And then, yung second equation natin mag-generate, so, we have a sub n, tapos a sub n minus d. So, dahil nga nung una, di ba nag-a-add tayo ng common difference. So, ngayon, kung magsisimula tayo sa last term up to the first term, edi mag-minus tayo nung common difference naman. So, or nung d. Kaya, with regards to those equation, proceed tayo. Anong pwede natin gawin sa dalawang equation na yan? Let's try to add those two equation, and the result will be twice the s sub n, which is equals to, kung mapapansin nyo, dahil addition yung ginawa natin, yung plus d and minus d maka-cancel out, plus 2d and minus 2d cancel out, and so on and so forth. And then this one also, at ang mapapansin natin, anong nangyari? Correction, and this is a sub n. No? Mapapansin natin, ang natira na lang ay a sub 1 plus a sub n, and then a sub 1 plus a sub n plus a sub 1 plus a sub n, a sub 1 plus a sub n. And, siyempre, mauulit yun. How many times? Depende sa kung ano yung n terms natin. No? N terms, or value ng n dun sa n terms. Okay, so, since there are n terms of the form a sub 1 and a sub n, then, we can write that as, yun, kung ilan yung n. No? So, n times the sum of a sub 1 and a sub n, and dividing both sides by 2, we have now, so ito kasi yung concern natin, no? So, ma-isolate lang din natin ulit si s sub n, and ito yung formula na generate through those equation. So, we have now, in getting the sum of the n terms, no, or n terms of an arithmetic sequence, it is the quotient, no? Kunin mo muna yung product ni n at saka product ni n sa sum ni a sub 1 plus a sub 1 and n, a sub n, tapos divide mo by 2. And ang alternative formula natin, kung gusto nyong dire-diretso, no? Halimbawa, hindi present si a sub n, pero given yung common difference, so substitute mo lang kay a sub n yung yung n term na a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And then, simplify, kaya nagkaroon ng 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d over 2. Yan. Yan lang yan. Didistribute mo lang yan dun sa sum ng mga to na nasa loob ng grouping symbol. Okay. So, siyempre, check natin, no? Try natin kung anong sagot ito sa pinasagutan kay Carl, no? Grabe, elementary student pa lang siya noon para daw maging busy siya kasi mahirap makuha ang atensyon ni Carl. Naniwala ko kasi mas ahead yung pag-iisip niya dun sa mga classmates niya. So, we have S sub n equals to from 1 up to 100, ilang terms yun? So, alam kasi natin na 100 terms yun kasi 100 ang number from 1 up to 100. So, a sub 1 is 1 plus a sub n, which is the last term, Tama ba? Over 2. And it will become, ang hirap controlling yung pen. So, 100 times 101 divided by 2. And that is 10,100. Check nyo rin divided by 2, which is 5,050. No? So, kung S sub n yun, S sub 100 na yun. No? S sub 100. Yan yung sagot dun sa... Kaya, in just seconds, nasagot na yun ni Carl. Ganun yung ginawa niya. So, check din natin dito sa kabila. S sub 100, 100 times 2, what is the first term? 1 plus 100 minus 1 times, what is the common difference? 1 divided by 2 equals to 100 times 2 plus, what's 100 minus 199 times 1, 99 lang din. Over 2, which is 100 times 101 over 2. Ito lang din yun. No? Okay? Malino na. So, syempre, gamitin natin siya sa ibang example. Check natin. Kayo na bahala dun sa sa alternative na solution. So, ang gagamitin ko dito ay yung isa, yung S sub n equals to n times twice ng a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Kasi, kagaya ng situation na to, bakit ito yung pinili ko, yung integers from 2 to 49, hindi natin alam kung ilan. Kaya, anong pwede natin na, ang tawag to, na gamitin para malaman kung ilan yun, ay pang ilan yun. So, eto, yung formula natin na a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Ayan. So, paano ba to? So, ang a sub n natin, hindi natin alam kung pang ilan si 49. Pero, wait na. Ayan, pagod na. Erase natin. Kamali tayo. Oops. 49 equals to a sub 1 plus, so kung pang ilan siya, hindi natin alam, minus 1 times, anong common difference? Integer. So, ibig sabihin, 1 lang yung common difference niyan. Kasi yan ay 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 up to 49. So, 49 equals to, ano yung a sub 1 natin? 2 plus n minus 1 times 1. So, n minus 1 pa rin yun. Magiging, combine the like terms natin, no? 2, n, anong 2 minus 1? 1 na lang, so 49. Now, we have n equals to 49 minus 1, n equals to 48. Okay, so now, we can have the sum of the integers from 2 up to 49. Kasi alam natin that there are 48 integers. So, included si 2 at saka si 49 doon. No? Ano yun? Magiging 48 times twice ng first term plus 48 minus 1 times, ano yung common difference? 1 lang din over 2. Sorry sa sulat ko. Ang hirap kontrolin pa rin yung pen. So, 48 times, anong 2 times 2 times 2, 4 plus anong 48, 47, ano, kasi times 1 lang yun, over 2. Ayan. And now we have 48 times anong 47 plus 4? 51 divided by 2. So, para madali natin makuha yan, cancel na muna natin to. No, kasi yung product ng divide natin sa 2 rin naman eh. So, it will become 24. So, magiging 24 times 51 na lang yan. And ang sagot ay 1,224. That is S sub 48. Okay, that's it. That is the sum of the integers from 2 to 49. And last, pagod na, no? At gamitin ulit natin yung S sub n equals to, yung isa naman, no, try natin. Ano yun? N times yung first term plus last term, a sub n over, inawin ko sorry. A sub, ano yun? Yan. A sub n over 2. Balikan ulit natin yung a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus, importante ito, huwag niyong kakalimutan yan, ilang ulit na yan natin pinag-uusapan. A sub n, hindi natin alam kung pang ilan, si 101. Tapos, ang first term natin ay si 11. So, alamin natin ng kung pang ilan siya, minus 1, and then, what is the common difference? Since add integer yon, so obviously, anong susunod na add after 11? Tama. 13. So, ang 13 na-generate nung nag-add tayo ng 2 kay 11. So, ang common difference ay 2 para ma-generate yung mga susunod pang add integer hanggang kay 101. So, 101 equals 11 plus n 2n minus 2. Ayan. So, magiging 2n. What is 11 minus 2? 9. 101. Ayan. So, interchange natin para kasi ang concern natin is the value of n. 101 minus 9. Huwag malito dahil nag-interchange tayo, same lang na nag-transpose tayo nun dito. Yan. So, 2n equals to, what is, ano yan? 101 minus 9. 101 minus 9 is 92. 92. Divide both sides by 2, n equals to 46. Okay, correct. So we have now the value of n, which is which is 46. So s of 46 equals to 46 times 11 plus 101 divided by 2. So 46 times 101 plus 11, edi 112 divided by 2. So, ano yan? Magiging 5,152 divided by 2, which is 2,576. Check nyo yan kung may calcul kayo. So, pwede rin naman manual. Okay, that's it. That's all for today. Ayan, remind ko lang kayo about arithmetic mean. Sum up na to, no? Summary nung mga napag-usapan natin. Arithmetic mean is if we are inserting terms between two non-consecutive terms, no? And it is important for us to manipulate yung formula ng finding the nth term kasi importante na ma-identify muna natin si common difference para makapag-insert tayo kahit ilan in between two non-consecutive terms. And then, remember this formula. Those are the formulas in getting the sum of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence. No? So, yung process, pwede nyong balik-balikan, yun yung kagandahan ng video eh. Pwede mong i-playback, no? So, or i-rewind kung meron kang hindi naintindihan. That's it. Thank you and salamat sa support nung mga naunang no? At remind ko ulit na mag-subscribe kayo and hit the notification bell para sa mga updates and mag-comment down below, no? Para kung may mga concerns kayo na pwede natin i-address sa mga susunod natin videos, pwede nyo i-greet ang inyong mga teachers, no? At ang inyong mga classmates. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye-bye!